Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit model-in-place components for custom casework. Create a model-in-place component for an alcove seating. Step 1. Open a floor plan, Level 1 view from Project Browser. Step 2. You may turn on the reference CAD plan, the imported image to see the size of the alcove setting, or turn on hidden elements if it is hidden and unhide the category. Step 3. Click the component small black arrow and click Model in Place from the Architecture tab. Step 4. You will need to select the most relevant family category. For the alcove seating, casework is the most appropriate category. Click OK. Step 5. Make a name for the component alcove seating. Step 6. To draw lines or models, you must set and confirm the work plane first. Click Set from Create tab. You can select the work plane with the name or pick a plan. Make sure this will be the base plane that you work. Step 6. You can make models with the Forms tool. For the alcove seating, click Extrusion and draw lines with the Draw tool. The line must be closed. You may use Trim, TR, to make it closed. Double-check the extrusion end and extrusion start. Click the green checkmark to finish the drawing. For the upper part, you will create the upper part in the current model-in-place component. If you want to try other forms, you are welcome to try and practice. Use the Void tool and Cut tool to subtract a form from other forms. Click Extrusion. Draw lines. Make sure the extrusion end and start. Click green checkmark. If the model is not showing, please check on your ISO view and change the work plane. Once all forms are created, you will click the green checkmark to finish model. Complete the casework. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add and edit model-in-place components for custom casework. Thank you.